It does do that?
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
Yep.
you know what I forgot to do?
What?
Fix that safety on that window latch on 24. We fix it, then yonder we can take we can take a crescent wrench and move some stuff around a little bit and make it tight.
On 24?
Yeah, remember you sent me that video, that text saying window 15 safety window buzzer was
Yep.
going on?
Yeah, those buzzers kept going off.
And I looked at that this morning before I left and went to town. We're gonna fix it.
Yeah, those latches kept getting loose. You see how 28 was parked?
Huh?
Look how 28 was parked.
Yeah, you know why? You know why?
Didn't look good?
No, that's so in the morning times he got room to bring his wheelchair around out
Oh, I didn't think about that.
and check it.
That's actually.
That's why he does that.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
I did not realize that.
Yeah, that's what he's doing. And that way he got room to bring it out.
They should, if this bus shop were to ever get like a repavement or something like that, they should expand those handicap buses with the parking spots.
And for what?
Like if this bus shop were to be expanded with the lot,
Yeah,
they should paint bigger lines for the handicap buses.
that is true. Give him a little more room.
That'd actually be a great idea.
Yeah. The only way they can go is that way.
Yeah. And that's when they check it, right? They pull forward.
Yeah. Then they make it wide enough to park them this way up through there.
Oh.
Like these are sitting in, they'd have to take that fence down, move it over, and make enough room to park.
Yeah.
Which it wouldn't be too bad.
What do they even use that land for across?
Nothing.
Because the bus shop, it'd be a good idea to expand it towards it.
Yeah. That sounds good, huh?
Oh yeah. 8 or 9's one of the better ones.